How to download YouTube videos on iPhone. If you would like to download YouTube videos on your iPhone, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now, open up the YouTube app, and this is normally the type of interface you can see. Now, maybe you have Premium or maybe you do not have Premium. Either way, the way to download videos is actually quite simple. You simply scroll through a list of videos that you want to go ahead and then download. Once you select that video, there you'll find the option called download underneath that video. Now, if you're on free version, you might not be able to see the download option available for all the videos and only for a selective one. But if you're on the premium version of YouTube, you can tap on download and choose to download that video. The video will be downloaded and you can locate them within your YouTube app by coming to your profile, scrolling down to the download section, and here you'll be able to see your downloads. And that's all it takes for us to download YouTube videos on iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.